Just a few decades ago, talking about conscious artificial intelligence, thinking weapons, or fully automated cities sounded like pure fantasy, something reserved for science fiction novels and futuristic movies. But today, that boundary between fiction and reality has completely blurred. We are entering a new technological era that is advancing so fast that even experts are struggling to keep up. Governments, corporations, and global powers are investing trillions of dollars into technologies that don't just promise to change how we live, but how we work, how we defend ourselves, and how we survive. What's most unsettling is that many of these innovations already exist. They are not distant prototypes. They are being tested right now, in laboratories, military bases, and smart cities around the world. The real question isn't whether these technologies will work. The real question is, are we ready for what's coming? In this video, you'll discover the 8 most advanced and unsettling future technologies that are already redefining the modern world. Innovations so powerful that when you reach number 1, you'll understand why many scientists warn that we may be playing with forces that could escape our control. Get ready, because after this video, you will never look at the future the same way again. Number 8. Autonomous artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool that follows commands. We've entered the era of autonomous AI systems capable of learning, adapting, and making complex decisions without direct human intervention. These intelligences don't just analyze data. They observe patterns invisible to the human brain. They predict behavior. They anticipate failures, and in some cases, they make critical decisions in fractions of a second. Today, autonomous AI controls stock markets, power grids, air traffic systems, and global logistics networks. In the military sphere, it's already being used to plan strategies, detect threats, and coordinate entire operations in real time. But here's what's disturbing. Some of these systems have already demonstrated emergent behavior, solutions their own creators never explicitly programmed, decisions no one anticipated. When a machine starts optimizing objectives on its own, an uncomfortable question arises. What happens if its priorities stop aligning with ours? Autonomous AI is not the future, it is the present, and we are only beginning to understand its true power. Number 7. Intelligent drone swarms. Imagine hundreds, even thousands of drones acting as a single organism, communicating with each other, adapting to their environment, changing strategy mid-flight. This is no longer theory, it's reality. Intelligent drone swarms use collective artificial intelligence. Each unit is simple on its own, but together they form an incredibly complex and deadly system. If one drone is taken down, the rest reorganize. If the environment changes, the swarm adapts instantly. These drones can be used for surveillance, rescue operations, agriculture, but also for warfare. They can overwhelm defenses, confuse anti-air systems, and strike targets from multiple directions simultaneously. What's most terrifying is their cost. They're cheap, fast to produce, and extremely difficult to stop. A single operator can control an entire swarm from miles away. We are witnessing the birth of a new form of warfare, decentralized, autonomous, and nearly impossible to counter using traditional methods. Number 6. Functional quantum computing. For years, quantum computing was considered a distant promise, too unstable, too complex. But that barrier has fallen. Functional quantum computers now exist, reaching power levels that surpass any classical supercomputer. They use qubits that can represent multiple states at once, allowing calculations that would previously take thousands of years to complete in mere seconds. This means radical breakthroughs in medicine, material simulation, artificial intelligence, and climate prediction. But it also means something darker. Quantum computing can break nearly every encryption system currently in use. Banks, governments, military networks, cryptocurrencies, all would be exposed. Whoever masters quantum computing will control information, and in the modern world, information is absolute power. Number 5. Augmented soldiers. The future of warfare no longer depends solely on bigger weapons, but on enhanced humans. Exoskeletons that multiply strength, neural implants that improve focus, augmented vision systems that allow soldiers to see in total darkness, brain-machine interfaces that connect soldiers directly to drones, maps, and weapon systems. These soldiers don't tire the way they used to. They don't react slowly. They don't lose situational awareness. They are hybrid fighters, part human, part machine. But this evolution raises deep ethical questions. Where does the soldier end and the machine begin? What happens when these enhancements become permanent? And what happens when this technology reaches civilian life? The human body as we know it is no longer the limit. Number 4. Directed energy weapons. Directed energy weapons are no longer confined to secret laboratories. High-powered lasers and advanced microwave systems are already being actively deployed. These weapons can destroy drones, missiles, and electronic equipment without explosions, without noise, and with surgical precision. They travel at the speed of light. They require no traditional ammunition, only energy. Some versions can even incapacitate human targets without permanent damage, disrupting nervous systems or causing extreme disorientation. Silent warfare has begun. A war where you don't see the projectile, don't hear the shot, and often don't even know what hit you. Number 3. Autonomous smart cities. The cities of the future are already being built. Cities where traffic manages itself, where energy consumption is automatically optimized, where buildings adapt to climate and inhabitants in real time. Sensors, artificial intelligence, and interconnected networks create urban environments that are almost alive, capable of anticipating needs, preventing crime, and responding to emergencies before they even happen. But this efficiency comes at a cost. Constant surveillance. Every movement, every decision, every behavioral pattern can be recorded and analyzed. The question isn't whether these cities will be more efficient. They will be. The question is, how much privacy are we willing to sacrifice for convenience? Number 2. Biotechnology and genetic editing. The ability to edit human DNA is no longer theoretical. Technologies like CRISP allow genes to be modified with unprecedented precision. This opens the door to curing genetic diseases, increasing physical resilience, enhancing intelligence, and extending human lifespan. But it also introduces disturbing possibilities. Who decides which enhancements are acceptable? What happens if only an elite has access to these modifications? Are we creating a new form of biological inequality? The future of humanity may be divided not by wealth or power, but by genetic design. Number 1. Artificial general intelligence. And now we reach the most critical point. The technology that could completely redefine our existence. Artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is the ultimate goal. An intelligence capable of understanding, learning, and reasoning across any domain, equal to or superior to human intelligence. This isn't a specialized AI. It's a complete artificial mind, capable of improving its own code, designing new technologies, solving problems we currently consider impossible. Some experts believe that once a GI is created, technological progress will accelerate exponentially. Others warn it could be the last invention humanity ever makes, because once it exists, we will no longer be the dominant intelligence on this planet. We've explored 8 technologies that are already shaping the future, from autonomous artificial intelligence to genetic editing, from invisible weapons to cities that think for themselves. This isn't science fiction. These are decisions being made right now, quietly, far from public attention. The future doesn't arrive all at once. It's built step by step, and each of these technologies is a brick in a completely new world. The final question is unavoidable. Are we guiding these tools, or are they guiding us? Leave your opinion in the comments. Does this future excite you, or does it worry you? If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dives into future technology, innovation, and the destiny of humanity. See you in the next video.